That victory and help only comes from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It will win. They will win. When? أَلَا إِنَّ نَصْرَ اللَّهِ قَرِيبٌ. When Allah wants it to happen. But it will happen. I was reading from the words and the literature of people that fought apartheid in South Africa. And when you talk about the odds being stacked against the people, the odds were stacked against those that were fighting apartheid in South Africa as well. But you know what? They persevered without Iman. What about you when you have Iman? What about you when you have Iman? The narrative will change one day, and all of these pro-apartheid, pro-occupation politicians and celebrities and voices, everyone that justified this genocide and madness, will go down in history as an evil, malicious human being, as a failure in history, and more than that, will be raised up in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and have to face the consequences of justifying and supporting and enabling this evil.